Hey, I'm Steve with Camp365, and one of the questions we get a lot is, how do I cook in the Camp365? Now, Camp365 is really unique in that you have the option of cooking indoors or cooking outdoors, thanks to this portable 2-burner stove that runs on propane. Now, if you want to cook indoors, and I recommend it highly for things like making morning coffee or morning tea, you just have it set up in the nose cone. It slides into the cabin unit, and you can make your coffee for the morning. But if you want to cook meals, I like being outdoors under the awning, out in the wilderness. And the nice thing is I can take that 2-burner stove out of the nose cone, I can bring it out here, set it up under the awning on the table, and now I've got a cook stove that I can do all of the cooking on right here with the Camp365. Now, to do this, I've got to go into the nose cone, disconnect the propane from the unit in the nose cone, and I can run it over to the unit itself. I'm gonna plug it in, turn the gas on, and now I'm ready to cook. The propane system of the Camp365 starts right here with your bottle that's mounted on the nose. It runs through by this pipe into the nose cone, and then it runs up to either the slider model, if you have the cook stove set up over here, or you can actually bring it outside. So I've actually had the cook stove disconnected inside, and I've got my propane hose and my source right here. So I'm just gonna bring it back over to the unit right here. And I just set it up like this with the quick release. And now I just turn the propane on and I'm ready to cook. Hey, one of the greatest things about Camp365 is its modularity. Now, this may look familiar. This is the back hatch of the camper. When you're going down the road, it says Camp365, but it doubles as a table. You can set it up inside or you can set it up outside. It just attaches in a matter of seconds to the outside of the camper, and now you've got a workspace under your awning and a great place to cook. Hey, if you're like me, one of the best parts of camping is cooking and eating outdoors.